Huwag kasi kayo tumawa!
Dapat mo!
Katawa tanong karkarinig dito.
Go garon.
Once. Parang night. What? Someone jumped around. Rubbing at the chamber door. Tapping on the chamber door. The single album was in December, and several shining ember. All this goes on the floor. Eagerly I wish tomorrow. Finally, I had thought tomorrow. From my books are seas of sorrow. Sorrow for the lost me know. Oh.
For the rare.
Game!
For the rare.
Go! I'm ready, Maggie. From the angels from the north. No. Name is here. And the silken, sad, and certain rustling of each purple curtain thrilled me. Filled me with fantastic terrors never felt before. So that now, still.
Oh, to still the beating of my heart. To still the beating of my heart.
Still the beating of my heart, I still repeat.
There's some visitor.
Wala ako dun eh. Is some visitor intruding entrance at my chamber door. Some late visitor intruding entrance at my chamber door. Only this and nothing more. Presently my soul grew stronger, hesitating then no longer. Sirs and I are matter, through your forgiveness I implore. But the fact is, I was napping. And so gently you came rapping, and so waving you came tapping at my chamber door.
But I scared. So should I heard?
The scares which I heard you. You were open by the door. Darkness there, and nothing more. Deep into the darkness peering. Long I stood there wondering, fearing, doubting, dreaming dreams of more than I've ever dreamed before. But the fact is, the silence was unbroken. Walang iya kayo. Ginagago niyo ako. Hindi mo naman parang.
The stillness. And the stillness gave no token.
And the stillness gave no token.
Token, ni token. Sige, sige na. And the only word there's spoken.
And the only word there spoken was the whispered word, no! And an echo murmured back the word, no! Really this, and nothing more. Back into the chamber turning. Soon again, I heard it tapping.